Whooping cough, a dangerous respiratory infection, is surging across the U.S. Health officials are sounding the alarm as cases climb for the second year. Over 28,000 cases reported in 2024, highest since 2014. In Kentucky, 3 unvaccinated infants have died. Known as pertussis, it's caused by Bordetella pertussis bacteria damaging airway cilia, causing severe coughs. It spreads through respiratory droplets. Early symptoms mimic a cold, progressing to severe coughing fits and the whoop sound. Infants under 1 face highest risk of death. Prevent with hand washing, covering coughs, staying home when sick, and vaccination. Antibiotics shorten contagiousness. CDC recommends DTaP for infants and children, Tdap for preteens, adults, and pregnant people. Immunity wanes over time. Whooping cough is preventable if we stay informed and act. Protect yourself and vulnerable children this winter.